Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are checking out the Philips PerfectCare Steam Iron GC392026, the iron that promises to make your ironing easier, faster and safer than ever. Now, let's check out the features mentioned on the outer box. You can see all the key features listed right here. Things like OptimalTEMP technology, no temperature settings needed, 2500 watt power, steam boost up to 180 gram, and the Steam Glide Plus sole plate. It also highlights the auto shut-off, drip stop system, and the built-in calc clean function. Everything's clearly laid out so you know exactly what you're getting. Alright, let's unbox the Philips PerfectCare Steam Iron. First up, we have got the user manual. Always good to give it a quick look, even though this iron is super simple to use. And here's the iron itself. Looks sleek in this blue and black design, and it actually feels solid and well built in hand. Take a look at the steam settings. We have got eco, medium and high, depending on how much steam you need. You can also turn the steam off completely if you want to use it dry. And the calc clean button. This helps remove lime scale and keeps the steam strong over time. Super handy, especially if you're using tap water. This is the water filling inlet. It's nice and wide, so it's really easy to pour water in without spilling. This is the Steam Glide Plus sole plate. It's got a titanium layer and 6-layer coating, so it glides super smoothly over any fabric. It's non-stick, scratch resistant and really easy to keep clean. Perfect for quick, hassle-free ironing. Here's a closer look at the steam settings as shown earlier. Right above that is the steam boost button, and next to it is the water spray button. One of the best things about this iron is OptimalTEMP technology. You don't need to adjust any temperature settings. No dial, no guessing. You can go straight from silk to jeans without burning anything. No more sorting laundry or waiting for the iron to heat up or cool down. Just filling up the water tank here. It's really easy to pour out without any mess. It holds 300 ml, which means you can get through a good amount of clothes before needing a refill. You're good to go with a regular tap water too. Alright, I have just powered on the iron. The power indicator light starts blinking, which means it's heating up. Once it's ready, the light turns solid, and that's when you're good to start ironing. Let's check out the steam boost. Just press the steam button and you get a powerful burst of steam. It's perfect for knocking out those deep wrinkles, especially on thicker fabrics like jeans and linen. Check out the water spray nozzle here. It sprays a fine mist of water to help soften wrinkles before ironing. Now I'm going to iron the shirt that's got a lot of wrinkles, so you can see the results for yourself. Watch closely as I iron just half the shirt. See the difference? The wrinkles disappear quickly and the shirt looks smooth and fresh. Here I'm spraying a bit of water on the shirt before ironing. It takes a little more time compared to using the steam boost, but it still works really well to smooth out those wrinkles. I'm ironing the shirt continuously now, and just look at the difference between the left and the right side. I'm really happy with the results and super impressed with the Philips PerfectCare Steam Iron. I have added the purchase link below, so check it out if you're interested. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.